In this video, we will show you how to troubleshoot strange noises from your Tacx trainers. Neo Series Trainer. Sound 1. If you hear metallic sounds like metal touching coming from the motor brake of your Neo Series trainer. It's possible that there are metal pieces or dust attached to the magnet in the motor brake. As disassembly and cleaning of the motor brake are required, please contact Garmin Support Center for assistance. Sound 2. If you hear a metal noise from the motor brake when you pedal. It might be because there's a problem with the hub axle in the center of the motor brake. It's difficult to fix on your own, so it's best to get help from Garmin Support Center. Flux S and Flux 2. If you hear unusual noise from the belt area of your Flux S/Flux 2, it could mean the belt is dirty, damaged, or touching the cover. To inspect and address the issue, we recommend contacting Garmin Support Center for assistance. Neo Series, Flux S and Flux 2. Cracking noise. If you hear a cracking noise while pedaling, it could be due to a lack of grease on the spacer or cassette body in the trainer axle. First, remove the cassette body fixing adapter. Then remove the cassette body and the inside spacer, which are the cylindrical black parts. After cleaning them, apply grease. For more help, please visit the Garmin Support website. Thank you very much for watching.